1997 Chevrolet C1500 extended cab here at Unique Specialty and Classics. As you can see, two-tone combination with the black upper, silver lower, 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC, blows cold and works well. Let's take a look at this front grille, chrome on the bumper, of course tow hooks down below. So bright work up front, looks good. A little over 130,000 is all in this pickup. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, be able to see the bed. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website, where the pics are, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Right on the chrome wheels, silver stirrup running boards. Taft over those, I believe, producer. And as far as the paint, it's black. It's a 1997. It's been driven a little bit. You're going to see a few spots where it's touched up or imperfection here or there. But paint does have a nice shine to it. And you can see how nice and straight these panels are down the passenger side. Take a look around the wheel wells. Really see any corrosion there. Lower rockers. Back to the cab corners. Look good. And of course above the wheel well on the rear of the truck. And again, you can see the reflection in the paint. So paint does have a nice shine to it. This will be a cloth interior bucket seat truck. We'll get around to the driver's side and I can show you that in just a bit. But as you can see, fabric and interior, nice shape. There's still pictures of the dash. That covers on there. It is not covering up anything. It's actually a dash mat to keep the sun from sun-baking it, making it discolored or cracked. So look in the still pictures if you want to see the dash without that cover on it. As you can see, we also have a unicover safari topper, fiberglass. There is also a bed liner you'll see in the still pictures. Tow package, receiver on the back. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's take a peek down the driver's side here. Around the wheel well, lower portions, cab corner. Now, I want to point out, I did notice there's a little corrosion on the bottom of this door. And there'll also be still pictures of the bottom of the doors that you'll see in with the rest of the pictures. Probably close to 100 pictures of this truck online. Again, UniqueClassicCars.com. And you can see, once again, the reflection in that paint. Does have a nice shine to it. Now, there's spots again where it's touched up. You can see back here in the black, there was a few tiny little dings right up by the door handle or above the door handle. So don't get me wrong, it's got a nice shine to it and everything. It's not perfect. Drive it, use it. Nice running truck, and again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Amenities on the interior, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, even a power driver's seat over here. And you can see the seats are not full of rips, tears, holes. Fabric actually wearing nicely. Do have the fold down armrest on both sides, center console. Cruise control, tilt column. Let's fire it up. We'll also take a look underneath the hood so you can see what the engine bay looks like. 10 of those crossover years, so we do have cassette and CD as well as the AM, FM. Stereo working fine. And technician says the AC works great. Tack working. Fuel gauge reads full. Battery, temp gauge, and oil pressure. No check engine light, service engines, just the one flashing. That's telling me I don't have my seatbelt on. Overhead console, and then of course the headliner. That all looks good. Slip to the back so you can hear this run. Actually, exhaust exits over here on the passenger side, so take a listen. Nothing crazy. Any exhaust over the top, anything like that. I guess sounds like you'd expect. Again, that 5.7 liter underneath the hood. Let's go ahead and pause this a second because I want to pop the hood. Stick around to the very end of this video. We are going to take this truck for a drive, take it down the road, put the camera in it, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. So stick around to the very end, but first, let's check out this engine bay. There's a peek at the hood liner. And here it is. Of course, 97 is going to be 5.7 liter Vortec. Newer AC compressor, it appears. May explain why the AC blows so cold. Also looks like a new Duracell battery, and it is from January of 24. It's a pretty stock looking engine bay, what you'd expect. 1997 Chevrolet C1500 extended cab. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1997 Chevrolet pickup truck. This is an extended cab with a topper on the bed. Shiny black on the outside and gray on the inside. This is an automatic on the center console. Our fuel tank is reading full. The battery charging over 14, the oil pressure almost 60, and the temperature 180. That all looks great. Factory tachometer and speedometer working well. Factory stereo works well. AC is blowing cold on this truck. I just pushed the cruise button and cruise control is functional. We have overhead lighting and storage. Nice driving truck. Power steering is excellent. Bucket seats with gray cloth are comfortable. Our power brakes are working well. This truck corners as it should. We do have a sliding rear window, which is an option. Nice option to have. Definitely a nice Chevy truck. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.